How to fix GCash authentication failed. In this video, I will guide you if your GCash authentication has been failed. Now, if you received an SMS notification that your GCash verification has been unsuccessful, then there might be a couple of reasons behind it. Now, the first reason might be selfie scan not working. The photo you submitted couldn't be properly verified because your selfie scan may have been blurred, too dark, or obstructed. To solve this, you want to take a photo in a well-lit area. Ensure your full face is visible. You also want to avoid people or distractions in the background. You also want to wear a shirt or top during your selfie scan. Next reason might be ID scan and quality error. This means that there was a problem with either the photo of your ID you submitted or the actual ID. To fix this, use the actual ID, not a photocopy. Make sure it's an accepted ID that is not expired. You want to take the photo in a well-lit space. Ensure the entire ID is seen in the photo and not cropped. Make sure none of the details or picture is blurry. You also want to make sure the info in your ID should match the info you have inputted in GCash app. Finally, the reason can be you were unable to submit the required additional documents within 10 days. For this, you want to head over to GCash app, head over to your profile, tap Verify Now, then restart your process. Now, you will be asked to provide additional documents. Ensure to submit them within 10 days from your application date. After you submit, allow 4 business days for GCash to review your documents. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.